Number 1, Cotonou. It may not be the true capital city of Benin, but Cotonou sure does feel like it. The city is an intense blast of urban energy combined with African charm. If it is your first time in Africa, the city can be a little bit daunting and full on, but for those willing to risk the adventure, Cotonou has plenty of rewards. These rewards include a number of stunning paradise beaches with golden sand and palm trees. The Pendjari National Park is also a must-see in Cotonou and is seen as one of the leading animal reserves in Africa. Number 2, Ouidah Museum of History. Ouidah is a city that has a mix of influence from the French and the Portuguese due to various events in history. The city is located about 40 kilometers away from Cotonou and in contrast is more relaxed. If you are interested in African history, and you should be, then this city should be top of your itinerary. It has fantastic museums exploring slavery and voodoo. If all that history gets too much for you, there are more stunning beaches to laze on in Ouidah too. Number 3, Abomey. Abomey was the capital of ancient Dahomey for around 300 years, starting in the 17th century. The main attraction and reason for visiting the city is the UNESCO World Heritage Site of the Abomey Royal Palaces. Although the palaces have largely been destroyed and are in a ruinous state, the site still has enormous historical value, and the tales of kings that once resided here are fascinating. Number 4, Porto Novo. Porto Novo is the capital city of Benin and former French capital of Dahomey. If you have visited Cotonou first, you will probably struggle to understand why Porto Novo is the official capital city. The population is only around 250,000 and the pace is much more leisurely than Cotonou. The influence of the Portuguese in this area are still clear to see in the present day. Sites in the city include the Royal Palace and Gardens as well as the Museum of Porto Novo Kings. Number 5, Grand Popo. The town of Grand Popo has an intriguing history mainly due to the important role it played in the slave trade. The town oozes with African charm and the people are friendly. The town is about an hour's drive from Cotonou and offers a perfect change of pace from the busy city. There are many backside hotels and resorts in the town, and the beaches are a great place to relax and swim. The nearby Mono River is a great place to walk and offers a chance to see mangroves and exotic bird life.